Alright, we got our hole drilled. Now we're going to glue our stick in. Then I'm going to take my nail gun. I'm going to put a few nails in here to hold this so it doesn't come apart on you. This is just a precaution in case the glue was to get loose in there, keep it from falling apart, because this is pretty thin on this side and this side. So now we're going to let it set aside, let it set up, and then we'll be ready to drill our hole for our string. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. Thanks for watching.